pushes us towards more and faster, and finding the balance between chasing our dreams and nurturing our inner peace, you can feel like almost like you're walking on a tightrope at times. And the thing that's interesting here is you have to have this unique cross between being both ambitious for what drives us forward, right? The things that fuel our goals and dreams, but we also have to be content, right? To have some level of gratitude or some level of appreciation for where we are currently. And that's where mindfulness, as we've talked about before, and self-care step in. But amidst, the hustle and bustle, we also have to understand that it's about recognizing when to push hard, when to take a step back, right? When to recharge. Our ambitions are important, but they're only a piece of the puzzle. And this small piece of the puzzle isn't our entire lives, but it definitely is an important piece. So I want you to take the time as you're striving and as you're grinding and as you're doing the things that you're doing to try to have more achievement in your life. I want you to also think about cultivating a sanctuary of peace within, right? It's not just about our milestones that we reach, but it's also about enjoying the walk. It's also about relishing in the view and learning and growing and finding joy in each step of the way. So make every part of your journey meaningful.